So you want to be a millionaire by Tuesday? Cool. Let's talk about meme coins. The only place on earth where a cartoon dog in a hat can be worth more than your car, your house, and your dignity. Combined, 11 p.m., you're scrolling. Some guy, let's call him Crypto Chad, Lambo in his profile pic, posts $Frognado is about to print. Not financial advice. You think he said not financial advice. But why post it if it's not going to moon, right? Wrong. But let's continue. You ape in $200. Chart pumps 40% in 10 minutes. You're already mentally buying a Rolex. It's up 3x. You're a genius. You screenshot it for the group chat. You're basically Warren Buffett's cooler cousin. 5x. You think, should I sell? Then greed whispers, bro, this is going to 100x. Diamond hands. So you wait, just a little higher, then silence. The rocket chart now looks like the heart monitor of a man who just opened his tax bill. Why? Because Crypto Chad bought this 3 days before posting. He wasn't sharing an opportunity. He was finding exit liquidity. That's you. He sells. His friends sell. The chart slides off a cliff faster than your Monday motivation. Down 30%? Just a dip, I'll lower my average. Down 60%? Diamond hands don't break. Hands visibly shaking. Down 90%? You're buying more with grocery money, whispering it'll come back, like a situationship that ghosted you. Down 99%? You stop checking. It just lives in your wallet now, like a forgotten houseplant. Here's what the hype videos won't tell you. Meme coins have no product and no fundamentals. The price moves purely on attention and emotion. This isn't trading, it's gambling with extra steps. And casinos at least give you free drinks. When an influencer posts a coin, they already bought it. You're not getting a signal, you're getting handed the bag. Euphoria, denial, hope, panic, that roller coaster is by design. Pump groups understand psychology better than they understand blockchain. If you want to gamble, go to a casino, free buffet included. If you want to invest, learn what you're actually buying. And next time someone with a Lambo profile pic tells you a coin's about to moon, ask one question. If he's so sure, why is he telling me and not just buying it all himself?